Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audioconcepts, and today we have a Seat Alhambra, if that's how I pronounce it. Got the steering controls working. We've now put in a Kenwood 9-inch screen floating tablet in here. This will give you everything from Apple to Android, wireless, DAB, plus wired if you need to be charging. If I just click here, I've now got Apple CarPlay, which is working here. This now comes with a 3-year warranty because we're a pro dealer. So if something like this you're interested in, it's Waz, B&B Audioconcepts in Cardiff. On this one, this was a high spec one. So we've got the reverse camera working as well. And then when we go into drive, we've actually got all the parking display. All of these parts are from ACV. I'll just turn that off. And then if we go into the heaters as well, we've got the heater display as well, and various sort of functions that would normally get lost on an install like this, but because we're a pro installer, we manage to retain everything and give the customer more. So again, if you're interested in something like this, this is who we are, and we are based in Cardiff. And this vehicle, just so that you know what it is, one of these, but we can do any vehicle. Thank you for watching.